Reading practice of lesson 49.
Number 2. Mr. Mid, our salesman in Maine, Mr. Barry Gray, served notice that he will retire in May, period. I tried to get him to stay, but he tells me his plans are final, period. It seems he is in poor health, period. He has not felt well since last April, period. We will miss him, paragraph. You said last April that your secretary, Miss Mary Bates, likes to travel, period. Do you feel Miss Bates might like to take Mr. Gray territory? If you do, have her phone me, period. Fred Bailey. Reading practice number 3. Ned, as you may have read in the papers, my dad died last night, period. I will have to go to Dallas to settle his affairs, including the selling of his home, paragraph. That means that I cannot meet with my class in the history of art at the Pace School of Art during the week of April 16, paragraph. Can you take the class during my absence? Please phone me at 555-6703, period. Reading practice number 4. Mrs. Cassie, I am ready to admit that I made an error in hiring Ben White, period. He is well-liked, but the sales in his territory slipped again in April, period. I am afraid we cannot keep him in that territory, period. We will have to relieve him in May at the latest, paragraph. Please break the bad news to him, period. Bill Parks. Reading practice number 5. To the staff, I regret to tell you that Mr. Ed Smith, the head of our mailing room, is leaving in May, period. He plans to go back to school to earn his master's degree, period. He needs 8 more hours to get it, paragraph. Mrs. Valerie Swift, comma, who is my secretary, will take Mr. Smith's place as head of the mailing room in May, period. Helen Harper. Reading practice number 6. Mr. Wade, colon, last night I glanced at the list of people you plan to invite to our April sales meeting in White Plains, period. I did not see the name of Mrs. Helen Gates, whom I plan to assign to the city of Memphis in May, period. Did you invite her? Question mark. If you did not, comma, please do so, period. Harvey Steele. Reading practice number 7. Dear David, colon, do you realize that you left your new briefcase in my car last night? Question mark. I have it here at home. Paragraph. If you need it, comma, telephone me, period. I will mail it to you, period. But if you do not need it, comma, I will keep it till I see you at our sales meeting in 2 weeks, period. Ben Street. Reading practice number 8. Mrs. Cassie, colon, I am happy to tell you that the final draft guide you asked me to write last April is ready, period. I left it with your secretary, paragraph. In writing the guide, comma, I had the help of Miss Mary Reeves, comma, who had taken a course in marketing at Taylor School, paragraph. If the guide meets with your approval, comma, I can have it set in type in a day or so, period. Mary Lopez. Reading practice number 9. Dear neighbor, colon, during the first week of May, comma, the Harper Ladies Store will give a 10 symbol of hyphen hour course in the latest methods of sewing, period. In that course, you can learn to sew with our newest sewing methods, period. You can learn the secrets of sewing in a matters of hours paragraph. The class will meet in the back room of the first floor of our store, period. If the course appeals to you, telephone Miss Beth Barnes at 555-2683, period. Miss Barnes will assign a seat to you, period. The Harper Ladies Store. Reading practice number 10. Mrs. Sweet, Here is the first draft of the new price list we are planning to mail in April or May, period. I am well pleased with most of it, but I am not happy with its size, period. It is far too big, paragraph. Please read the price list with care, period. Then mark the odds you feel we can omit, period. Ethel Davis.